Hello, friends. In today's era, the spirituality is something which is most talked, and we all are youth. So we hear many things, right? Many different things, whether it is for me, it is for not, or it is for who, what kind of people, what it will give me. So today I will try my bit to clarify with some of the example which I have experienced in my journey. With that, hello friends, my name is Amresh and I lived in Bangalore, practice as a software development manager. But at the same time, I also have some bit of inclination to understand the world, understand the life, and me as a better person. I always see this question, right? When so I have a people whom I manage. I also have a mentorship, and so a lot of things I do, and I always hear these questions that whether youth should involve in this spirituality. Youth should more focus on the growth, career, their जो लाइफ है वो तो जीने के लिए है. Why to all do all these kind of stupid things at this early stage, right? So in my opinion, when I hear multiple viewpoint, I thought it's widely misunderstood subject or the theory or the whole things. So let me tell you more about that. There is a two school of thought. One school of thought who thinks that spirituality is for old people who are really retired, who are depressed, who failed lot, who has nothing to do. I mean, he has done everything and now moving more toward going satsang and all these things, right? So wahan pe, if you see, right, all those kind of people you will see, and that's where a lot of andhviswas and those things also come up, which is not the topic of so now. But you see the one kind of things where people go more towards that. But there is a other kind of people. When you look at your friend circle or my friend circle, and very young age, like 18-year 19-year people who talk about the life, meaning of life, right? Their Instagram messages, their WhatsApp messages, they're posting the pictures, sunset, sunrise, and sharing the inspiring stories on to say TikTok and other. Then we really feel something, what's happening, why these young generations are talking about these deeper meaning of life. It means there is some connect, right? Either it's not in the same form which it used to be, but maybe something else, right? So it's really like person like me and you, who are doing a regular job, who just graduated. I mean, I'm not just graduated, but still I'm running my 9 to 5 job, right? Morning 10 to night midnight I do my work, all these things and all, right? And you all, everyone who is watching me, mostly in that category, looking for job or looking for your next career opportunity, so upskilling ourselves, like joining this so public speaking course, and there are several things, right, we are doing. So we are puzzled, or we are widely like confused, totally confused what's happening, right? One side, people are saying it is for the old people, it is for retired people, depressed, and other side, so we are really confused. So let me tell you, my thought and my experience on that, and what you will get with this spirituality, and how it will help you. So the my simple answer is yes, spirituality is for everyone. So you should not be thinking that this is for this people, this is for that people, this is for old people, new people. Even if I understood correctly the way spirituality is, even it is for kids also. So so the I will explain you why and how, and what you will get once you become spiritual, or at least you start the spiritual journey. Before that, I'm just quoting myself. I'm not a spiritual master or guru or enlightened being and all that. I'm a pretty normal kind of person who, like you and everyone who is watching this. So spirituality will give you three things. One is the gratitude. So you will start appreciating everything positive which is happening in your life. You will start appreciating uh, your good qualities. You will not always strive, hey, मैं तो यार public speaker नहीं हूं तो मैं तो useless हूं. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. पब्लिक स्पीकर होना ही दुनिया में बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है. You are very good and you are doing better than millions of the people. So first thing, you should not be thinking anything negative. You should start appreciating what you have, what you have achieved, what you have gone through. You should not be thinking about what you don't have. The second thing is the kindness. So your core deep and self will become more kind, more more sense of humility you will start getting. You will start thinking that, hey, people are not bad. The third thing is the calm focus. You will not think that, hey यार क्या हो रहा है, जबरदस्ती के आप जो है नई चीजों के पीछे भागोगे, लड़ाई झगड़े ये सब. You will start thinking, on a much larger cause. So I will end my whole talk with the two things. There is a very deep saint who everybody know, the Kabir. So Kabir said, कबीरा खड़ा बाजार में मांगे सबकी खैर, ना कहूँ किसी से दोस्ती ना किसी से बैर. So आप यहाँ पे आए हो, there is, you should not associate with anyone. You are here alone, and and whatever you are getting, just you accept it in that way, which things are coming in your way. With that, thanks a lot guys for listening. Thank you very much.